Hey all you home menders, I'm Dustin, and today we're talking granite. What's the big deal with granite anyway? Granite is awesome. It's super durable and it makes your house look fancy and feel fancy. Let's dress it up a little bit. I'm gonna show you how. Let's get to it. Alright, so we're all ready for the granite, guys, but looking at my fake watch, they are an hour late. I'm guessing because nobody else can do the work of a granite guy, you need to get a granite guy. It's okay if they're late. Okay, so after several hours and what is, I believe is a flat tire, they finally showed up. About how many hours late, man? 4 hours? About 4 hours late, but like I said, the granite guys are irreplaceable. It takes $2,500 to even talk to these guys. Now, it took thousands of years for nature to make this slab, and it's beautiful. Every time I've tried to sell a house, the realtor suggests that I get granite. Of course, the realtor is going to suggest that you get granite. It makes their job way easier selling it. Now, this is the first house I'll be selling with granite in it, and I expect it to go pretty quickly. The thing is, if you don't put granite in it or some equivalent for the countertops in the kitchen, you're not going to be able to get top dollar. The other houses I've done did sell quickly, but you can't ask for top dollar unless you put something fancy in the kitchen. Oh, he's trying to shim the other side so the seam right here works out. Now, it's not all good with granite. There are some downfalls to it, but one of the cool things about granite is it's unique. There's not one slab that is identical to another slab. They all come with their own little lines and specks and veins through them. Yes, granite instantly upscales your home and adds value to it, and it's unscratchable. Unscratchable? Scratch proof. Unless you're scratching it with another piece of granite, or of course, a diamond. And if they're sealed correctly, they're stain resistant. The not so goods of granite, they're extremely porous. So if they're not kept up and sealed correctly every year, new granite can last for decades, which means you'll still be looking at that same wine stain long after the kids move out. Granite can be a bit pricey. Comparing it to Corian or something like that, the tops for this house would have cost about $1,500. These cost about $2,500, and it does come with the fancy undermount sink. And more than likely, a good sized kitchen is gonna come with seams in the granite. Now, I have a 14-foot top. They put the seam and broke it right at the sink. That way it's least noticeable. All right, so the granite guys are gone with my $2,500 and it looks amazing. So that's it, just a few things about granite. Now, I have to admit, once I got the granite installed there, it was amazing, but I felt like I was wasting a fortune just making a sandwich. So for the Home Mender, I'm Dustin. I hope you learned something today, and if you did, don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks for watching.